Hey there everybody, Diego Ortiz here, founder and creator of IamKTNow.com, and welcome to another training section here in IamKTNow.com, where I'm going to train you on how to create web optimized video that looks awesome and streams really fast, just like these on my blog that you can use on your blog, on your sales pages, or even on your YouTube channel. Now, I am going to assume that you understand the importance of using video. Video, my friends, is it. It is the shit right now. So if you're not doing video, get the hell out of the way because your competitors are doing video. So this is not a matter of maybe or should, this is a matter of must. You must be doing video, whether it's either screen capture like you're looking at right now or face to camera, which is my favorite way of doing video. Now, I'm going to also assume that you know how to do video. So this is not a course on how to create video. This is a course on how to optimize it so it looks really awesome and streams really fast on the web for your sales pages, blog, or channels. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is this little piece of software right here. It's called Handbrake. You're going to download this software at handbrake.fr. And don't worry, I'm going to include a link right below this video so you can download it. It is for Macs and it is for PCs. It works the exact same way. Now all you got to do is just click on the download now button, and you know it's offered at 4 different operating systems like Mac, Windows, Ubuntu, and Fedora. If you are a Mac user like me, go ahead and download that and install it. If you're a Windows user, then I don't know how to make it through the day, but okay, you can go ahead and use software anyway. So again, go ahead and download the software that you need and install it. Now once it's installed, this is the software right here. Now, like I said before, I'm going to also assume that you have a video already created, edited, and it looks awesome, and it's all you. Now, all you need to do is, when you open the program itself, it's going to ask you what video it is that you're going to want to convert so that it looks awesome on the web and that it can be played on iPads, iPhones, and, you know, going mobile. Because another thing, if you're not doing movie for mobile, if you're not in the mobile market neither, get the hell out of the way because marketers are doing mobile too. Video and mobile is what's it right now here in the year 2011, so you better be doing both. Your videos have to play online and they have to play on every single mobile device out there. So you're going to cover all the bases here. Now, like I said, this is the program right here. You're going to go ahead and hit the source button and you're going to look for the file that you're going to want to convert for your video, for whatever it is that you're going to do. I'm going to use this video right here, which is a demo video that I created. I go ahead and it'll scan it through. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is where it says toggle presets right here. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up a little window on the side and you're going to hit on iPhone and iPod Touch. That means that the video is going to be optimized to play on all type of iPhones, iPads, and every single device out there, every mobile device out there. Now, the first thing I do, me personally, is that I look at how long the video is. The video is 12 minutes long. Now, what I do is that I go ahead and hit on the quality, and I just multiply by 10 the amount of minutes that are here. For example, if this is a 12-minute video, I go ahead and enter here 120. You can go ahead and play around with this. This isn't an exact math. You can put more, you can put less. The less you put is obviously the less quality the video is. But you're not going to want to go ahead and put a lot either, because if it's an 120 megabyte video, you know, some people are gonna be downloading and streaming this video, and their internet connection could be a little bit slow. So you're gonna want to keep it, you know, averagely and the average size for a video so that they could be played online, whether it's on your YouTube channel, your blog, or your sales page. So what I do is that I go ahead and multiply the amount of minutes by 10, and I just put that right here. Now, another thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and go to picture settings. And in the picture settings, you know, you're just going to put the width and the height of the video. Now, preferably the dimensions of a video, if you're going to use video for your blog, you should keep it at that default 480 by 272. This is the video settings that I use for my video when I use a blog, when it's for a blog post. So go ahead and do that. If it's a sales video, you may want to go ahead and pump it up all the way to 720. Now, don't go beyond 720 because If it goes beyond 720, it's not going to be playable on iPads and iPhones or any other mobile device. So do not go beyond 720 for your sales video. If it's a training video, you can go ahead and put it for a members area or something like that. You can go ahead and put it at 704 by 400. Sales video 720 by 400. So for this video, I'm going to put it at 720 by 400. Then I'm going to go for audio. Make sure that it's at the default 128. Then I go back to video. And I also want to make sure that the video file, the output, it says .mp4. Sometimes it might say .m4v or something, or .m4k or something like that. You got to make sure that it says mp4 so that it's playable on all devices. Now you're also going to check on web optimized, and you're going to check on 2-pass plus turbo first pass, and just go ahead and hit start. And when it hits start, it's going to go ahead and convert the video to .mp4, and it's going to be playable on all devices, and it's going to be web optimized, and the quality of the video is going to look freakishly awesome. Now, apart from having a converted video, you also need to host your video on a web optimized source where you can host your videos. You can use either YouTube, but the problem with using YouTube is that it's, you know, branded for YouTube, and you don't want that. You want your branding to be you. You don't want to delegate or give away your position or your authority to somebody else. So go ahead and use a service called the Amazon Easy S3. Now, all marketers in the world are using Amazon Easy S3. It's fast, it's cheap as hell. I mean, they charge you pennies for the megabyte. I mean, pennies for a lot of videos. I mean, I gotta have like 30 gigabytes worth of video here, and I don't pay more than $10 for it a month. That's how cheap it is to have video on the Amazon Easy S3. So go ahead and use that. Again, I'm going to include a video on the bottom where you can get this service. Now, the only problem with Amazon Easy S3 is that it's easy to use, but really hard to explain and figure out. It has a lot of technical stuff. You need a lot of techies. You need to be very techy. You need to push a lot of buttons, and you know, you got to have a lot of plugins installed so that then you can put it on your website. So it's a little bit of a headache. It's easy to use, but really hard to figure out and master. So what I do is, then I'm going to go ahead and refer to you, use a source called Easy Video Player that you can find at easyvideoplayer.com. Again, I'm going to include a link on the bottom on this video. Use their service. It is extremely easy to use video and upload video to your ECS3 account. You still need an Amazon ECS3 account. You can go ahead and sign up on the link below. But instead of using all of the techie stuff, you can go ahead and use easyvideoplayer.com, Easy Video Player, and upload your videos there, which will be uploaded to your ECS3 source. And go ahead, and all you got to do is just upload your videos. Once it's uploaded, this is what you're going to see. Let me go ahead and use it as an example here. This is what you'll see once the video is uploaded. Oh, wait, give me 1 second. This is not what you'll see. This is what you're going to get. You can go ahead and change all the aspects of the video right here. You can choose the video player that it accommodates to your needs, to your brand, you know, your colors, whatever you need. You can set the height and the width for the video, which obviously you're going to use the same height and width that you used here in the picture settings from Handbrake, so that it doesn't, you know, cramp up or nothing like that. You can go ahead and allow full screen. You can auto buffer. You can enable shadows of the video. You can allow pausing. You can autoplay. You can center the video. You can also take out if the person can see this bar right here, you can go ahead and do that. You can load it as a light box so that it pops out of the web page if that's what you want. You can allow downloading of the video. You can allow sharing of the video. You can allow embedding of the video. I mean, there's a shitload of features that you can use for your marketing. I mean, this is by marketers for marketers. You can go ahead and figure this stuff out once you get the service, and I highly recommend it. Now, once you set all of the features that you need for your video, all you got to do is just copy paste this code right here and put it on your blog, your sales page, or whatever. I'm going to give you an example right here. I am, for example, let me see right here what I can do here. Is that I am going to go ahead and copy paste the source code, which is the one that was right here. I'm copy pasting it to my blog post. I hit save as draft because I don't want to actually publish it on my post right now. And once that is done, I go ahead and preview it so that I can show you how does it look like on the video itself. Oh, I have so many videos here. But the point is that you see this is all part of it. This is also a video that was done the exact same way. But the point is that's how it works. Now, like I said, you need Handbrake to go ahead and convert your videos so that they are very, very optimized to your needs. You need Easy Video Player to use Amazon S3 the easiest way possible. And go ahead and create video. And it's completely optimized and it streams really, really fast because you're using Amazon S3 and CloudFront. Go ahead and use those features. Use Amazon S3 and CloudFront. They charge you pennies on the dollar for their services. Go ahead and use that. So my friends, that's it. That's all you really need to know about creating web optimized video for your blog, sales page, or website, or whatever, or even your channels. I hope this serves you in a major way. And remember, as always, live your passion and make a difference today.